love the 2020 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.